So now that we saw what our legs did on the floor, now we're going to start with our feet hip width apart, and our feet are the most important part of our posture. So as you stand here, just observe where's their weight. Maybe there's weight on one leg, maybe there's more weight on the front of the foot, the back of the foot. So we're going to bring evenness to that. We're going to bring what's called sama, evenness, a sense of evenness to our pose. So you can press the heels down and then shift the weight forward and then go back to your heels. Notice how your quadriceps begin to grip, and then move forward and back. Now take your feet out. So looking at my feet, I'm going out on the outer feet, and then I'm rolling on the inner feet and outer feet. So we're going to the extreme ends to find out what's the center. Now press the outer foot down, your inner foot down, your front of your foot, which this is the front, it's called the metatarsal of the foot, and then press the heels down. So most of us need to press the heels down more. So press those heels down and grip your quadriceps and lift your quadriceps up. Now you're in a pose called, when your feet are separated, we call it sama, sthiti, even and steady. Now bring your feet together. So this becomes a balancing pose, and you might already feel that you're searching for that evenness in your feet. Press the heels down, and this, I'm going to ask you to lift your toes up off the floor and then take your toes to the floor. Now lift your toes up off the floor and then take your toes down to the floor. Lift your toes up. So you feel when you lift your toes up how the quadriceps get nice and firm. Keep that firmness, lift those kneecaps up, lower your toes down. Stretch your arms down. So in Iyengar yoga, the legs and the arms, we call them the organs of actions, the karmendriyas. We use them in order to, it's one of the principles, to lengthen the trunk. So let's do an experiment. Let the legs go, let the arms go, just hang out like you would be waiting for the bus. Now press into your feet, press your heels down, lift your kneecaps up, stretch your elbows down, and get tall. Feel that tallness that you get in your spine. Now let it all go again. And you'll even notice that the mind kind of shifts. And press your heels down, grip your quadriceps, extend your elbows, roll your shoulders back, take your shoulder blades down your back. This is called Tadasana, mountain pose. So a huge mountain has a strong, steady base and rises up to the ceiling. Now we're going to take Urdhva Hastasana. We'll take the arms up. So take the arms in front and extend the arms up. Now I'm going to show from the side so you can see. So as I take my arms in front and then I reach the arms up, I want to keep the legs moving back. I want to keep this nice and steady. So here we go. We're going to do this, throw the arms up and down about 5 times. So keeping the legs from going forward. I don't want this to happen. I want to keep the thighs back. Inhale, take the arms up, and exhale, arms down. Up. Each time I'm going up, I'm taking the upper arms further behind the ears. One more time, up and down. This time keep the arms up and lift the fingers up, lift the arms up, lift the sides of your trunk up, lift your hips up and go up. Exhale, take your arms down.